So Xiaomi has removed 3.5mm headphone port from its Mi A2. I don't know why. Hey guys, Himanshu here, back with another video, and today let's talk about cons of Mi A2. So let's start. First bad thing that Xiaomi did to Mi A2 is removing its headphone port. Why Xiaomi, why? I know you want to give flagship things in budget phones, but removing the headphone jack is not good. There is no purpose to remove the headphone jack because Mi A2 is not thinner than Redmi Note 5 Pro. Second thing which I didn't like is a big issue. It's battery life. I mean, they have decreased the battery life from 4000 mAh to 3000 mAh. So these are the two biggest things which are present in Redmi Note 5 Pro. But Redmi Note 5 Pro lacks in USB Type-C and a better camera. So yes, I appreciate the camera of Mi A2. It is better than Redmi Note 5 Pro. But the third thing is its camera bump. I mean, look at that bump. It's too big, Xiaomi, too big. The fourth thing I didn't like is its design. It's too boring now. I mean, same metal body, same design. Redmi Y2, Redmi Note 5 Pro, Mi A2, all looks the same. Come on Xiaomi, I know you can do better than this. Now the last thing is that it doesn't support any memory card. Well, in my eyes, it's not a con. Over time, memory cards do make the phone slow. So in this department, I'm with Xiaomi. If you want to store your data, just buy a pen drive and OTG. So these were the things I didn't like about it. I mean, let's keep this real. If Redmi Note 5 Pro has given the USB Type-C, a better camera and stock Android, who will buy this? So that's all for this video. I'm testing this Rode Micro which is on the top of this Canon 700D. So if there is any audio problems, sorry for that. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to CreatorShed if you haven't. And do follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All the links will be in the description below. So see you in my next video. Till then, this is Himanshu signing out.